This is the voice-over basic package. It includes the MDL 4848S, a booth measuring 4 feet 2 inches by 4 feet 2 inches, with single-wall isolation for reliable vocal recordings. Audimute fabric acoustic panels balance the sound inside the booth. LENRD Bass Traps clean, low-end buildup, keeping your audio tight and defined. Auralex Studio Foam cuts reflections, so vocals stay clear and natural. Built-in cable passages keep your setup neat and fully connected. An LED Studiolight gives you clarity when you need it, or color for the right creative mood. The fold-out office desk saves space and powers your gear with built-in outlets. The door window provides visibility while still maintaining full sound isolation. Quiet, adjustable airflow keeps the booth comfortable during quick takes and long sessions. The ventilation silencing system reduces internal fan noise to a minimum, and the exterior fan silencer minimizes outside fan sounds.